How to create a PlayStation account. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create a PlayStation account. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to come over here onto PlayStation.com, and once you come over here you'll just simply scroll down, and over here it says sign into your PSN account. Then just simply click on create a PSN account. PSN stands for PlayStation Network. So we're just simply going to go ahead and click on create and fill out this form, then click on next, add in our birthday, and after that we just sign in ID, add in the email address and password, and after that we just simply agree to the terms and services. You want to receive emails or notifications, whatever, then click on agree and create account, and there you go, your account has successfully been created. After that you can log in and go into your Gmail, verify it, and add more information, and you are good to go. So that is how you do it. That is how you create a PlayStation account. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.